Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Here is non-sponsored. This is again not sponsored. Great company to deal with, Tmat, made to USA, and that is not China, USA. That's the United States of America. And go ahead and shout out to our 250th anniversary for this year. But just wanted to show this. This is in my 2023 Silverado. This is the 5'9" I think bed, and you know I put in the cover back here. Look at my other videos. I'll put that in the link, or put that link in the description. Excuse me. And so basically, this comes with free with these handles. They had it on sale for the Black Friday. I think it was like 10% off or something like that, and so I took advantage of that. But you know, with one hand, you slide this in, and it's in there. You know, that's the nice. This is what they call the ramp system, so that as you can see, it won't catch. See right here, these are some extension pieces that you can put on the end. I decided to put those on the end over here, since I'm always on this side, on the driver's side, if I'm grabbing something. Easy enough. And I know right now there's nothing on it, but I mean, that slides really good. This is a factory spray in. So, but these pieces, we put them 5x4.
Correct.
Right, so each piece, as you can see here, right, you can see this piece is one piece right here. Mine is this. And so we went 5x4. And then I took these extra pieces, since I have these drains back here for this cover. It was my wife, she's smart enough to say, hey, put them down at the end. That way, there's no way, if I'm not thinking that day and I just put a bunch of things in here and I'm sliding, that I'll hit those drains. And that's really nice. Nice feature that you can do that. So you can configure this almost like Legos in a way. And then it was a surprise to me. It's not in the description that you get any of these pieces here. So I ordered the 4-piece of this. As you can see, they give you 2 of this large piece, 2 of the smaller ones, and then 2 of these. And these just kind of push back and forth. You can pull them out. You know, that makes perfect sense. If you're sticking something in here and you wouldn't want this, you would want, and you want something in here like this, get it in there, and then that way you stick it in there, you can secure it that way if it's something that's flexible, I should say. And then you just press and they come back. That's a really nice system. We're pleased with it. I haven't used it completely here. Just basically got it in here. It's a gloomy day today. Just nasty weather. I don't know how it is where you are. We're 48, 49 degrees and nasty. So sorry if some of you people that are in the areas where it's 10 degrees or negative something. I hope you're doing well. Praying y'all take care of yourselves. This is really a neat system. It says that these handles they rated up to 250 pounds. So basically, they just don't want you ripping on it with something really heavy in there. You might have to get in there and get it for that. But man, like taking trash off, stuff like that. I have these bars that you see in the other video. These extension bars. Like this. And what I can do is, I can put that one in there between the wheel wells, and then when I have the trash, it won't go any further than that. And then all I've got to do is just slide it out, slide it back. It's great for my back. I have bad military back and knees. Shout out to anyone that else is dealing with that. And so this is perfect to help out. Update on the truck. It's running really good. You know, basically passed the test, and so it's got the thicker oil. It actually sounds better, runs better. I don't see any decrease in fuel mileage. I've heard some others talking about that, but if y'all have some comments on that, please let me know. But anyway, I hope if this helps someone, I'll put the link in the description for this Tmat system. It's fantastic. If this helps someone, please like and please subscribe. I haven't been on the channel for a little bit, a few things going on in life, and so appreciate y'all's help on this channel. And today with BK out.